Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening a collector box for Magic the Gathering Commander Legends Dungeons and Dragons Battle for Baldur's Gate. Because it was on sale. As you know, I usually don't open collector boxes. So let's see what we get. The set, of course, doesn't really hold that much value, aside from the dragons for each color, which have you roll a d20 when you damage an opponent, and then they do something based on their color. So, let's see what we get. Of course, lots of foil here. So let's of course look out for the rares, which should be in the back. We have a Wizards of Fey. We have cards sticking very closely. We have a Psionic Ritual, a Wrathful Red Dragon. That's not one of the dragons. With a Duke, Ulder, Raven Guard. The same one in the weird treatment. I don't like it. And we have an Elder Brain extended art foil, as well as a goat token and a treasure token. On to the next one we go. Wow. The packs themselves, to open them, they look really flimsy. If I hadn't bought it from a reputable seller, I would almost suspect it being resealed packs. But thankfully, that's not the case here. So, cards sticking to each other. Don't we love it? Also, the cardboard quality is rather iffy. We have a Ragged Dragger, Gorgat's Boss, a Deep Gnome Terramancer, an Eldritch Pact, a Gale Waterdeep Prodigy, a Lunder Vesir, a Horn of Valhalla, and an Ox token. Isn't it cute? Yes, it is. And a treasure on the other side. On to the next pack we go. With a small crease in the first card. Don't we love that? No, we don't. Charcoal Diamond. Like in foil, it's really popping off, I think. And then we have a Pact Weapon, a Furkrag, Cunning Instigator, Iltural Survivors, the Council of Four. That's a nice one to have. In the, I think, edged foil treatment, whatever. There we have some money. A Karlach, Fury of Awareness. We also have a Merkle, Lord of Bones, and a Skeleton token, as well as a treasure token. I like the double-sided tokens here, because since they're foiled on both sides, the curling that usually happens with Magic the Gathering foils will not affect them as much. Starting with a Nature's Lore. I don't actually know how often it's been reprinted now, so it might not be worth that much anymore. Don't stick to each other, my lovely cards, please. If a Descent into Awareness, a Sarevok's Tome, Blade of Selves, that's also a nice one. with extended art treatment, a Lysel, Vlaakiv's champion, an Elminster, and a Mighty 7 of Luke O, as well as the Undercity token. That's a nice one to have. And the initiative, of course. Moving on to the next pack. Let's see what we have here. So far, Dragon Counter 0. We have a Sea of Clouds. Oh yeah, those are also here. The land switch checks how many opponents you have. So those are also worth some money. We have a Tlin Collie Hunter. A Kindred Discovery. Yay. John Irenicus Shattered One. A Lysel Vlaakiv's champion in the drawn art treatment thingy. Wills, Reversal, and a Dragon. Treasure. I think they're all treasure on the other side. I think they have been so far. Looking at the next one, there's also a treasure. Let's see. We have a Popular Entertainer. Black Market Connections. That's still worth something, even with the reprint. Well, technically reprints in the recent time. We have Lysel's Acrobatics. Zephlor, El Tural Exile, another Miracle, Lord of Bones, Duke Al the Raven Guard, and a rabbit. Isn't it cute? Yes, yes it is. And on to the left side, another 6 packs. Let's see what we get. We get a Baldur's Gate. We can close the video now. We've dropped the name. Just kidding. We have a multi-class Baldric, a Firbolg Flutist, a Gorian Wise Mentor, Chahera, Friend of the Forest. That's always a good one to have. Multiple of. An Archivist of Ogma. And a Boo token. Fearsome Hamster. On to the next pack. Let's see what we have here. We have an Ascent from Avernus. That's also a decent one to have. We have an Ukulon. A Wand of Wonder. A Messi, True Sword Paladin. A Bane, Lord of Darkness. And a Glunch, the Bestower. And a Knight. Looks like a Tiefling Knight. And Treasure on the other side, of course. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we have here. A Reckless Barbarian. Which is actually something I still was looking for, I think. We have a Nira, Wild Mage. We have an Endless Evil. A Bountiful Promenade. Lovely. Also very lovely art. A Chen Jensen Chaos Crafter. 9 Fingers Keen. We have a Borderless Minsk and Boo Timeless Heroes. In foil as well. Isn't it lovely? Yes, it is. And a devil. A mean devil. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get here. We have a marble diamond. Also in foil. We have a Lysel's Acrobatics. We have a Nalia de Anis, which was also one of the Commander decks back then. A Wizards of Fey, another one. A Mirim Sentinel Worm. And a nice edged foil treatment. Well, and there we have one of them. Lovely. An Ancient Brass Dragon with extended art. Thanks. And a Morphic Pool. Extended foil. Lovely. Probably, maybe, so far the best pack. Value-wise, of course. Let's see what we have in the next pack. Thieves' Tools. Those are always good to get in full. If you want to have your deck in full. We have a Tomb of Horrors Adventurer. A Delayed Blast Fireball. A Font of Magic. We have another Nira Wild Mage in edged foil this time. A Mirim Sentinel Worm. Alando Vesia. And the Undercity token with the Initiative. The Initiative is also on the other side, if you have the dungeon. And we are down to the last pack. One more dragon for the end would be very cool. Please, thank you. Let's see. Let's see what we get. I can see a forest, a decanter of endless water. Candlekeep Sage, Scion of Halaster, a Messy True Sword Paladin, a Venture Forth, a Spire Guardian, lovely to get more of those lands, Cultist of the Absolute, a Zephlor, Elturel Exile, a Displacer Kitten, that's also a nice one to get, nice. And the Fairy Dragon concludes this opening. So, this has been enough an opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. As always, if you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.